Okay, we're going to start with the Navigate ArcGIS Pro. So the map reading in GIS depends on varying location and scale, where and how far you are zoomed in and using the attribute data of spatial features. You can zoom in to any part of a map, drag pan the map to a different location, and zoom back out. You can set some feature classes to display only when they are zoomed into a certain scale and beyond, such as streets, and you can clear the display for other feature classes. You can go to preset locations and scales using spatial bookmarks. And we can read the attribute data of any feature by clicking the feature to get a pop-up window. Last, we can search for features by using attribute values such as name of a street. Now we're going to close this out and then well, we will save it. Okay, there it is. I think I closed it. Oh my god. Book data, chapter 1 and tutorial, and now we will do 2. So, now we will click the full extent to zoom to the map, and then we will use a pop-up window, click the map tab on the ribbon, So on the map, we're going to click this, and lower left west pop-up window appears with attribute data from the feature. We're going to click the website, and then when we finish, we're going to close the browser. Furthest Med Express Clinic. Oh, right here. All right. That's weird. So it says we click this, okay, furthest to the left. Oh, on the map. Oh, I don't know which one. Oh. Where is zoom to layer? Click OK. Huh. That's weird. Alright. Cool. It's right here. So, Pittsburgh. That's the hyperlink. Okay, urgent care. 1522. Oh, 224. So they changed the zip code. Huh. So we're going to drag the pop-up away from the map. And we're going to point off the 3 bottoms on the bottom right to the lower. We're going to drag this away from the map and point to each of the 3 bottoms on the top right of the pop-up window to read that what they do, and click the zoom to this feature button several times. I'm going to close this out first. And then where is the tool? Is it in view? Cannot insert anything. Okay. Alright. I still have to zoom in a little bit more so I can see the street name. The street name is not showing up. Okay, this is streets, right? Okay, perfect. Now, it's showing up right now. It's just so tiny. Maple Lane? I don't find Maple Lane. Did they move it? So, let's see. Label. It's on. Let's see. Gonna go to property, label. Make it bigger. It's just so tiny. Oh. label. So slow. Okay, right here. Make it 18. There, finally I can see. Just so crazy. So the map centers, I'm zooming on the coronal ellipse Med Express Center. And then if you zoom in close enough, the buffers and population density displays turn off. The streets display turn on, and the Med Express clinic gets labeled. So if you zoom in even further, the streets get labeled. So the feature classes and label have visibility ranges for which they are visible. So we're going to close the pop-up window and back to the zoom extend view map. Right here. Okay. So the position, zooming, position the cursor over the point where the three rivers join. So three rivers join, it's right here. And I'm going to zoom in. You can use the mouse scroll well into the map, stepping several times before zooming. And we can do using the keyboard. Keyboard that I can do is zooming out, zoom in and out. So if I want to zoom in, I press the plus sign and zoom out, minus sign on my keyboard. So which I didn't know this. That's cool. Use the plus key sign that's on the keyboard. Okay. I usually just use a mouse. So we scroll up and down in the contents pane, and feature classes not drawing at the scale have gray check marks, where areas featured classes that display have black check marks. We're going to learn more to set the visibility thresholds for controlling the scale, but I play every now and then. Click the drag pan the map to a new location. The cursor is automatically in panning mode with the Explore button, and select, so which is this Explore, it's already here, and visible layers, and then it's already here on the tab and navigate group of the ribbon. So if you do not have a mouse, we will use the arrow keys to move out pan the map. If you touch a screen, the tab and slide the map to the pan. Anyway, on the map in the navigate, we're going to previous extend button a couple times. So you can just go back. Okay, like this. And then I can go forward. So you can back forth, which this is neat that we do not have in ArcMap. I don't believe that we do. But we do have a backup. Zooming into a raster feature class. So all but one of the map layer in the healthcare clinic map property index have vector data made up of points, for example. Med Express clinics, lime streets, or polygons, closed areas such as the census tracts that display population density. GIS does not store images of vector feature classes, but instead draws them on the fly from stored points and drawing instructions, including how the map designers want them symbolized, such as the broken square symbols. From Med Express clinics, rasters, however, are stored using image data formats, for example, JPEG and TF, and rendered pixels by pixel as stored. However, as a map designer, so you can change the colors of certain kinds of rasters that are not pictures, such as the property index that you are about to use. Now we're going to turn on and off feature classes so that the following feature classes are on: tracked centroids, center points, Pittsburgh, Allergy County, streets, and poverty index. We're going to press Control and click a checkbox of a feature class to turn off all feature classes on and off, and make adjustments for the desired map. So the raster feature class, which we will create later in chapter 10, is rectangle, as they are all raster feature classes in this case. the boundaries are defined by the centroid points furthest to the north, east, south, and west of the tracked centroids used to create raster. So the raster is this one. So I'm gonna turn on. Why it's not on? Because I'm zooming with our raster dataset, and it's a rectangle. Let me go out to extend view, and it's just like this. That in this case the boundaries are defined by the centroid points furthest to the north, east, south, and west of the tracked centroids. So that we click to clear the centroids, and then zoom to the center of the map, and then we can see those pixels for those poverty indexed in the municipality. So now we're going to use bookmarks, and spatial bookmarks allow you to zoom to preset map views. So on the map tab, navigate group, and we're going to do is bookmarks, and we have different kinds of bookmark. Now we're going to click the bookmark button, and then 3 bookmarks are already available for the open map. So Allegheny County, and then poverty areas, and then we have Pittsburgh East End. All right. Also available for these here, we're going to use later for the 3D. So now we click the poverty area bookmarks. So poverty area. Oh, I think I did. It's 3D. Back in here. Perfect. Okay. The map zoomed to that area. So the map might have a different feature classes display or not display, depends on the size of the computer. But anyway, now I should have a lot because I have a big screen, because the thresholds that switch feature class displays on and off depend on the ratio of feature sizes on the screen to actual feature sizes on the ground. Okay, now in the lower right corner, it's right here. Select features. Oh no, zooming and pan to the poverty. Where's my river? I need the river above. Oopsies. I need to look at the river. Alright, it's right here. A little bit. Zoom and panning to the poverty risk until the street appears. Where's my street? Oh, right here, streets. Okay. Alright, now streets appears. An alternative is to press the shift key and then drag the rectangle around the area desired for viewing. I think right now it's big enough. And then on the map tab in the navigate group right here, and bookmark, and going to do a new bookmark. In the create bookmark window, we're going to type, I'm not familiar with the area, but oh, I saw it. Okay, so Mac Keep Sports poverty area. It's right here. And then we're going to click OK and zoom to the this, okay, bookmark, and then try out for the new bookmark. Bookmark and manage bookmarks. So bookmarks is right here. That will be cool. 1, 2. They are just slow. That's the area we want. Alphabetize the healthcare clinics bookmarks by dragging them in order. So A, B,